Mauritius for adventure, for relaxation and experiencing the enjoyment. ये सब चीज के लिए हमारे इंडियन जो इंडियंस जो है वो भी वहाँ पर जाने शुरू कर दिए. The next one is why Island Internship Company. So I just mentioned to you why Mauritius. I briefed you about your internship program, how you will enjoy the internship program with the professionals, working with professionals. और इसके बाद जो है why internship company, Island Internship Company. Why Island Internship? Internship company is one of the most important company in India providing internship programs for students from India. So Island Internship जो है हमारा कंपनी जो है हमारा एक ही कंपनी है जो बहुत they will be only asking few basic questions of first year. First year का जो basic questions रहते हैं वो देखेंगे. Number one, they will see your personal grooming. That's very important. Personal grooming is very important for them because in Mauritius they see the personal grooming. What do you mean by personal grooming? How you sit, how you talk, your facial experience or your facial expression. Once you finish, you let me know so that we can start. Provide you with all the questionnaires. Our company officers will provide you with all the questionnaires. We will also have a mock interview so that you don't have to face any problems. And then we support you with the offer letters. Right? So, very basic. Personal grooming, we will ask you basic questions. Whatever department you are going. So suppose if somebody is going in food production, as I told you that you will not have an internship in four core departments. Three departments. One is housekeeping, food production, and food and beverage service. We don't take students who are front office. Why? Because the students, the clients over there, they speak in French. They speak in French, and French, I think most of you don't know. So that's the big face of this thing, particular. We see only students who can understand and speak proper French. अगर आपको French आते हैं, तो हम आपको जरूर वहाँ पर front office में डालते हैं. अगर आपको French नहीं आते हैं, अगर आपको fluent English भी आते हैं, fluently, so that we put them in the front desk. And then also vacancies, if vacancies are available, that's very important. Number two, bakery में अगर vacancies available है, तो. So these are the main factors which I have just tried to make you understand. Right? Food production में मतलब आप कहीं भी department में दे सकते हैं, लेकिन without vacancies in bakery, you will not be able to provide the replacement. अगर bakery vacancy है, तो आप दे सकते हैं. Right? F&B service में आपको कहीं भी रख सकते हैं. Coffee shop हो या specialized restaurant हो या banquets हो, कहीं भी आपको डाल सकते हैं. Housekeeping में आपको different variation में रख सकते हैं. आपको housekeeping department होती है. तो इसी के ऊपर आपको प्रश्न पूछा जाएगा. Basic प्रश्न जो आपको first year में सिखाया जाएगा, वही basic प्रश्न आपको पूछा जाएगा. आपका नाम पूछा जाएगा. आपको पूछा जाएगा why are you interested in hotel management? Why are you interested to go to Mauritius? Why are you interested in working in this particular department towards your specialization? तो ये सारी चीजें पूछा जाता है. This is a very basic question. Very basic personal question. Right. And every time I think they will see you, your grooming, your facial expression. These are the qualities the people see when they try to interact with you. whatever is available.
Sir, name of the property.
I'm coming to that. I'll give you all the details. Okay, if you are not able to convince, what he said just now, if you are not able to convince the person who's taking your interview, during your interview, then you will not be able to qualify for forced marriage. That is Angrezi थोड़ा चाहिए. There the people they speak only English. But we have got our company in Mauritius. We try our best to see that they are in a 4 or 5-star group of hotels or resorts. As we have seen, the students going from GRHM, they have got very good placement in 4 and 5-star hotels, ultra luxurious hotels, right? Very few, I think, if you count very few, that also एक दो बच्चा जो सही तरह से बोल नहीं पाया, उन लोग को हम विदाउट इंटरव्यू में 3 स्टार और हम लोग बोला भी है, उसको बताया भी कि ऐसा ऐसा हो रहा है, आप जाना चाहते हो तो ठीक है, नहीं जाना चाहते तो हम कैसे कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उन्होंने कहा कि ठीक है, हम लोग जाना है. लेकिन उसी तरह से आपको भी बताया जाएगा कि यू आर weak in this area, so you will have to promptly revert back to us. You can see the properties all are located on the coastal catchment areas. Coastal catchment areas. So they have got their own beach. Okay, so they have got their own beach. You can see they are all on the catchment areas. Catchment on the coastal areas. Okay? All the properties are all along the catchment areas. The hotel will provide you with pick up and drop. That's very important. The hotel provides you with pick up and drop. Pick up and drop is they will give you, boys, students, male students, they will give you a point. They will give you a small point. Like here you have Chorami will give you a जगह है आपके यहाँ पर. तो आपको बोला जाएगा आपको Chorami में देखना है, खड़ा रहेंगे. तो आपका घर से नजदीक है. तो बस आएंगे होटल से आपको पिक अप करेंगे और आपको वहाँ पर ही ड्रॉप करेंगे. For the girls, for the female students, now, if they finish up their shift in the night, this is very important for the female students. If they finish up their shift in the night, see evening shift में गए और night में खत्म करके आ रहे हैं. Night 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, whatever it is. You will be given transportation up to your accommodation. Only you, the female students, not the male. Male will be given pick up and drop from one point to the hotel, and they will leave it to that particular point. Clear? Advantages of doing internship certificate. Now that stamp or that particular visa दूसरा स्टेट से 75,000 चार्ज करते हैं. आपने यहाँ पे मैंने सर को बहुत अच्छा पैकेज दिया. 45,000 का पैकेज था. अभी मैंने उसको सर को मैंने बोला उसको थोड़ा सा आगे बढ़ा दीजिएगा. तो 55,000 का प्रपोजल दिया है हमने. तो बच्चों आप जरा देखिए कि आप यहाँ से निकल कर कहीं भी पूछिए 1,20,000, 1,00,000, minimum 90,000 you have to pay for your Mauritius internship program with other companies. Our company, we have got our own company in Mauritius. We have got our own team members in Mauritius. Despite of that, we are charging 75,000 to students coming from Hyderabad to Gujarat, Mumbai, Pune. ठीक है ना? लेकिन GRHM के लिए पैकेज है that is 55,000. So I have already spoken to sir and I will be coming up with this particular proposal to all of you. Right? So kindly see that you make use of this. You will not be able to go to Dubai. You will not be able to with this particular charge. whatever fees I'm telling you. That is 75,000. I'm giving a package for exactly 75,000 for Mumbai, Pune, for Gujarat, for Rajasthan, for Hyderabad, GNH for Calcutta also. For Calcutta also we are charging that amount. But for GNH and Kolkata, we have proposed sir with 55,000. So I proposed sir, just now I have spoken to him again, I am going to speak to him. 55,000. And in that everything you get. You get all the facilities. You get your basement done, you get your visa cleared, you get your placement in 4 bachelor groups. We take care of your accommodation, you have to pay your accommodation charges or rent. So all that we take care of. We'll come down to you. I'll come to you. Just note it down, I'll come to you. So these are the facilities we will provide you. Even if you fail, one minute, sir. GNH को दिए, ये मैं कहीं भी नहीं दिया, कहीं भी नहीं. Not even in Mumbai. In my Mumbai also the schools are paying 75,000 rupees. All right. So. Now the standards. You see the standards? 13,000 minimum to 17,000 MRU maximum. ये कैसा हो गया 13,000 to 17,000 because hotels, every hotels not only in overseas but also in India, they have got their pay scale. Each hotel got their pay. Like you say in Taj, you get a pay scale of say X amount, 9,000, 10,000, whatever it is. But that X amount will differ from Oberoi. Will differ from Marriott. Okay, Marriott groups. So similarly here also there are different hotels. They have got their own pay scale for their internship programs, and therefore we say 30,000 to 70,000. Minimum 30,000 आपको मिलने वाला है. So 1.82 to 2 rupees is Indian rupees. एक Mauritius rupee is 1.82 to 2 rupees. 1 रुपया 80 पैसा से 2 रुपया है. तो आप काउंट करके देख सकते हैं कि आपको इंटर्नशिप प्रोग्राम में जो आपको इंडिया में नहीं मिलने वाला है वो वहाँ पर मिलेगा. And you remember you are going for your education purpose. You are going for your education purpose. One of the semester you are going for one of the semester where you are going to learn. As I mentioned to you earlier, practical learning. ठीक है. तो कोई बच्चे पूछेंगे मुझे कि सर हम जो पैसा दे रहा हूँ वो पैसा वापस मिल रहा है क्या? डेफिनेटली आप बहुत कमती पैसे दे रहे हैं तो आपको पैसा आना चाहिए. ठीक है. और मैंने आपको पूरा 9 घंटा ड्यूटी है और उसके ऊपर अगर कोई काम किया तो वो ओवर टाइम के हिसाब से दिया जाएगा. एंड इज नॉट फोर्स. आपको कोई फोर्स नहीं करेंगे. आप थोड़ा शांत रहेंगे. आप थोड़ा शांत बैठेंगे प्लीज. आप थोड़ा शांत बैठेंगे प्लीज. आई एम गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब. 9 घंटे के ऊपर अगर आपको कोई भी एचओडी या कोई भी आपका ऑफिसर या शेफ या मैनेजर कोई भी अगर आपको पूछा कि आपको ओवर टाइम करना है तो दे विल रिक्वेस्ट यू, दे विल नॉट फोर्स यू. 9 घंटे के ऊपर अगर आप करना चाहोगे तो वो आपका हिसाब से करेंगे. आपको अगर जरूरत है तो आप करेंगे. और बहुत सारे बच्चों को ऐसा किया है. They have one more. All right. So hotels are providing duty meals. That is all over the world. Any 5-star hotel you go in India or abroad, you will get meals only on duty hours. What happens to the other part? So you can prepare your own meal by us from the day you give us documents. Now we will give you a particular day, and on this particular day or on this particular day, you have to give us your documents. Whoever are interested, very important point, please note down this. Whoever are interested, first you have to give us your CVs. Your CV has to come down to us immediately. You have to register with us by paying some. So these are the two options which you have to be borne by the students to and fro. आप जब जा रहे हो यहाँ से तब आपका फ्लाइट टिकट आपके हाथ में आना चाहिए और वो कभी होना चाहिए जब आपका वीजा आपके हाथ में आता है। विदाउट वीजा यू कैन नॉट गेट फ्लाइट टिकट्स फॉर इंटरनेशनल countries. Okay, so once you get the visas, immediately you apply, you book your tickets to and fro tickets, जाने आने का, and you have to book your tickets on your own, and you have to pay your flight tickets. You have to pay for your flight tickets. Clear? Now next. Furnished accommodation, as I mentioned to you, basic furnished accommodation. I told you, you will get a cooking range, you will get a fridge, you will get an oven, you get cutting boards, you get some tools, frying pans, some pan spots. Okay, so all this you will get so that you can make your own arrangements. Okay, certain things are very what you call costly over there. So masala वगैरह जो है, आप अगर मसाला खाना चाहते हैं, तो जैसे करी पॉट हो गया, चिली पॉट हो गया, धनिया पॉट हो गया, ये सब चीज आप लेके जा सकते हैं इंडिया से, so that you don't have to pay a huge amount over there, right? Then you have accommodation is I told you, 3,000, 3,500 you have to pay for your accommodation. I'll ask you about that. One things are provided in the thing that I told you. Sharing basic home, I told you what are the sharing homes you will get.
अभी कॉलेज में इंटर्नशिप के लिए मतलब आए थे लोग, मतलब वो लोग बता रहे थे कैसे कैसे इंटर्नशिप करना है, तो वही तो हमारे में थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम आ रहे थे। भी सर से बात की तो बोले कि हो जाएगा तुम्हारा, बस केवल टाइम लगेगा। तो बात कर रहे हैं क्या क्या वैसे ऐसे होता है, देख रहे हैं जो होगा तो देखा जाएगा। मतलब अभी तो मेरा बॉट सर्टिफिकेट ऐसे कर मांग रहे हैं लोग, वो भी देना पड़ेगा। जो जो डॉक्यूमेंट है सब लाना पड़ेगा, उसको जैसे जैसे होगा कॉलेज में देना पड़ेगा, उसके अकॉर्डिंग काम होगा। देखिए क्या होता है, आपको जैसा होगा बताएंगे। ठीक है, मिलते हैं आपको नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग में। अभी कुछ मतलब ज़्यादातर प्रॉब्लम है, बस केवल डॉक्यूमेंट्स को लेकर प्रॉब्लम है। बस डॉक्यूमेंट मिला, कंप्लीट हो गया, उसके बाद कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। ठीक है, आप लोगों को मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट ब्लॉग।